Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to solve exponential equations. Specifically, we will look at problems where you cannot simply match the bases, so we have to use logarithms to solve for x. It is a very powerful technique that works for almost any exponential equation. First, let us define what we are dealing with. An exponential equation is one where your variable, usually x, is stuck up in the exponent. This is different from the linear equations you might be used to. Here, the unknown is the power itself. Here is the main challenge. Sometimes, solving is easy if the numbers play nice. For example, if you have 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the third power, you just know x is 3. But what happens when you have 2 to the power of x equals 7? 7 is not a clean power of 2. We cannot just guess the answer. We need a mathematical tool to help us. That tool is the logarithm, and specifically, the power rule for logarithms. This is the secret weapon. The rule says that the log of a base to a power allows you to take that power and move it down to the front as a multiplier. This changes our problem from an exponent problem into a simple multiplication problem. Here is the 4-step strategy we will use for every problem. Step 1, isolate the exponential part. Step 2, take the log of both sides. Step 3, use the power rule to bring the x down. And step 4, divide to solve for x. It is a consistent process that always works. Let us try a basic example. 5 to the power of x equals 13. The exponential part is already isolated, so we go to step 2 and take the log of both sides. Now, applying the power rule, the x comes down to the front. We get x times the log of 5 equals the log of 13. To get x by itself, simply divide both sides by the log of 5. Using a calculator, we find that x is approximately 1.59. Let us look at a harder one. 3 times 2 to the power of x plus 4 equals 19. We cannot take the log yet because the exponent part is not alone. First, subtract 4 from both sides to get 15. Then, divide by 3 to get 5. Now we have 2 to the power of x equals 5. This looks just like our first example. Take the log, bring the x down, and divide. The answer is approximately 2.32. It is always good to understand what this means visually. If we graph the left side of our previous equation and the right side, we look for where they cross. The intersection point represents our solution. In this case, the blue curve and the red line meet exactly at the x value we calculated. Before we finish, a major warning. Many students make the mistake of multiplying the coefficient with the base. They see 3 times 2 to the x and turn it into 6 to the x. This is incorrect because order of operations says exponents must happen before multiplication. Never combine them like that. To summarize, remember these 3 keys. Always isolate the base and exponent first. Use logs to access the power rule. And finally, bring that exponent down to solve. With these steps, you can solve any exponential equation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.